So if you put it in the pot like this size, you can just only advise you only one. If you put two, they're biting together. So I make arrangement here. So after this, I'm just gonna shove these plants together with the roots, the seedlings, zucchini seedlings, or courgettes in the European country. People call it courgette here in Australia, and probably in US call it as well zucchini. Interesting. Alright. Wear the glove, guys. Alright. When you do these things, you have to wear the gloves. Alright. It's a really good weather. At the same time, in the evening, it's freezing. So still winter and towards the spring. I guess it's late spring. That's why the weather is like this. Also, it's late winter too. So that's why it's August now. Middle of August also. It's still cold. And we have another one here, last one. I put two of them there. If you're interested, I'll show you. They grow really nicely. Let me show you that maybe quickly there. Let's go back. Let's go quickly. Let me show you this pineapple here. Frangipani, it's still calvo. So bad because it's still nice and cold here. Oh, this big try of pak choy. There's heaps of them here. My mistake. I removed everything through the roots. I noticed in myself. You don't have to remove it through the roots. Just do it one by one here. And every time it got so big like this and matured enough, so you harvest it like that. Maybe I just poured it in all, so there's nothing left. Look at my eggplant, 3 left. The rest is there because they were well planted. Here is the zucchini plot, you guys. This beetroot doing really good. The rest is still small. I don't know. This one, this pak choy was there because it's in the corner. I removed it today with the roots. I didn't pull it together, just do the roots and the soil. So I put it here. It doesn't look so nice today like this because I just transferred it. I don't want it to be in the corner. So, but still didn't die. Really good plants. This one, I love him because he got so many fibers. And so is this. You can use that as well. Anyhow, this is our corn, our zucchini. I put 2 in the ground by this is a really big tomatoes. I put 2 in the ground here. This one there and the rest here. That's a bombay with onions. Look at that. That is actually lettuce. I regrow them again and didn't look lettuce anymore. It does look like this with flowers, and so is this. That one cuttings from here. And this one is same. It doesn't look lettuce at the moment because there's a lot of flowers here, so I don't know. This is the second. This is a crooked. I don't know why. Weird. And I leave it like that here. Instead of putting in the pot, we'll see which one is the best pot for here. There is parsley here, okra, and chives, mulabar, and some chives, big tomato, Roma. Here's a Roma tomato. Oh, Floriana gourmet curry. I don't know what's the name of that tomato. That's it, guys. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. It's really good. Love it. Use this beautiful green rice here. Let's put this in the mist, not in the jar. So it will mist my pot. Before I transfer this, guys, before I transfer that, I'm going to make already. Since the misting with water, ignoring the mass just so. That one here. Have to get away with it because it's dusty. If I want to, so I don't mind because I'll get lost. Not much water. Just enough to make the whole wet. This is after the soil is making wet, moisture. I love them, the seedlings them all the time. So I can smell the chicken manure here, the soil. And I guess we do the flow in this fertilizer too. The good is very good. This will smell so beautiful. I water it in the morning, I water it in the evening. And it's fall or fall, so it's not very hot. Actually, it's just mild hot compared to winter, guys. It's very good to breathe. Just to be right now. And after all the day, putting this one here in each container, 1 each. I think I'm gonna do this first. Should I do really shovel, but I couldn't find my small shovel. Fancy that. There you go. Pull it slowly and gently, and I guess she will be here. And while I'm putting this in there, I am going to put this one as well. So the plants got energy, and you don't go shock by transplanting them in here. Alright, just pretty much like this. Actually not very deep, because it's still growing a lot. So while this one is growing, I have to fill in this in the future actually. That's good, they're in the middle. So I'm going to wet them again after I transfer it. Once I wet them, then the last final one is the this beautiful sea salt seaweed here, very light one. Alrighty, one is go. We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go this way, guys. I'm gonna go this way here. This one is so big. This one is so big. And